back, y'all. I just wanted to do a quick little wheel repair video for you. My guy Terrence has been keeping me busy with wheel repairs over the last couple of years, I must say. I don't know if he's getting rid of them or selling them, or he finds them from somebody specific and flips them, but I respect the hustle. But yeah, I'll get you guys through just fixing some cracks. I don't know what the brand is on these wheels. Maybe some of you guys might know, but Jesus Christ, I don't know if they're fucking jumping the thing or off-roading it or what, but yeah, this one's, and I know some wheels are just made cheap. The cast on them is cheap. I totally get it. But yeah, this one's cracked to shit, and this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4 on it also. So glad to give them a hand and get these fixed up for them. Let's get into it. Guys, I just fucking got her all ground in there. I try to not go as far as I had, like, leave as much meat on the wheel as possible, but obviously you want to try to get all the way in there. Like that one is still there a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I can burn that out. But it just sucks doing the outside of the wheel. It's not bad when you just do the edge or the inside or whatever, but doing the outside of the wheel, it takes some time to try to grind that back down and make it look normal, which is the most time consuming part. And aside from that, I mean, really you're only getting that fuse as far as you grind it down, right? So you're taking off majority of the strength you're putting back into it, if that makes sense. You know, when the customer, or you want it ground back down flush, I'm not going to say I can guarantee it's going to crack again, but I can almost guarantee it's going to crack again. That's why I always tell people with wheels, like, if possible, I'd like to leave the weld on there, especially like on the seams or the inside or something like that. I always advise to leave that reinforcement on the outside, because realistically, these cracks are all the way through, 100% all the way through. I would have to cut the shit out of this wheel all the way through and bevel it and really take a lot of time to really get full penetration and to take the crack out completely, which for a customer that's literally trying to save money by repairing a wheel rather than spending $400 on another 22 or 24 inch wheel, it just wouldn't make sense for them. So I try to keep it budget friendly and cost effective, you know, but I do advise, if you don't have to, try to leave as much meat on there as you can, because as soon as you take that back off, it will crack eventually. I can almost guarantee it. I've been pretty lucky. I've done a lot of wheels, and I haven't got anything back yet. So I mean, I've been doing them for probably a couple of years now. They're actually pretty common. So luckily, I've been pretty lucky. Hopefully they keep on rolling down the road, but we'll see. This one, yeah, this one's pretty fucking bad. Like I said, I don't know if they hit something or accident or off-roaded or what actually happened, or if it's just that bad of a casting. So probably just that bad of a casting, but you never know what people do with their vehicles. People are fucking crazy and stupid, and not saying this customer's did something. I think these were like this when he got them. He's just been kind of riding them how they were for a while. And now it's to the point where he's like, yeah, I'm going to get them painted and they should get fixed because they're pretty freaking bad. So yeah, I'm going to clean this one up a little better, and then I'm going to start on the other one, and we'll get these welded up. And like I said, I'm going to try to leave as much reinforcement on these as possible, and hopefully he's happy with them. He's going to get them powder coated after, so we'll try to get them back looking normal without taking too much metal out or aluminum out. So sweet. Here's what we got for these seams here. Kind of beveled them, cut all the way through, try to get in there like that. is still the crack, but we'll be able to burn that out. It's actually like a defect. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a little circle. It looks like. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but I'm pretty sure this thing's been repaired before. You can kind of see like the grinding marks, unless that's just, I don't know. I don't think that's how they're fucking made. I don't know. I guess I don't know how wheels are made, but yeah, I just cut back into it. Like almost every spoke here has like little grinding marks on it. It's really weird. I'm thinking it was repaired once already, but I'm not sure. A couple more down here, and then another crack all the way through. This looks like somebody left an asshole. Like they welded it, and then when they ground back into it, they found an asshole and they just left it because there's still like sand in there from it being blasted. So apparently these things have been repaired before. So hopefully they hold a little longer now that I did it, but we'll see. Alright, let's get it welded up. Quick little aluminum tip, guys. I usually do a washover pass first, just to try to burn all those pores out, and then you'll really see too where the crack itself is. It'll actually start to open up on you, and sometimes you gotta stick that grinder in there and really fucking get in there. But yeah, do a washover, and then I'll throw a rod at it on the second pass. So. Alright guys, I tried to leave some of the weld on there. This thing welded like absolute booty. No matter what I did, these wheels are just, oh my gosh. The quality of aluminum, I can't even believe they didn't just fucking break off, to be honest. So yeah, I just welded it, and then I tried to leave some on there because, ugh. I told them right out, I said, these are going to crack again. I'm going to be honest, man. Like, doesn't matter what you do. They're so full of crap and air in there. It's insane. The quality of this material is just, it's scary. I literally told the guy, I said, don't worry about powder coating them because they're going to be junk, man. I mean, we can weld them all we want, and they're literally just made that bad. So I think they would last a little longer if I was able to leave the weld on them, but he wanted them ground off so he could paint them. So I just told him to prime them, throw some Rust-Oleum on them, and he said he's only going to use them for the winter. So I told him to frickin' be careful with them because they're just going to crack again, man. Sometimes it's just what you get with these quality of wheels, you know. I mean, they're going to hold air now, you know, like these right here. I usually just grind enough to get that bead to seal. So, and this one had a couple spots on the front. You can see right there, up there. But yeah, just filled in. I just took enough out just to get the bead to seal. I wish I could just leave it in there because, again, I mean, all you're doing is taking that reinforcement off. So. But sweet, guys. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and we'll keep them coming.